We have a 6-pack of CRIPOP. These are zipper pouches. Very useful for all kinds of different things, EDC, tools, what have you, travel. So in this kit, I have 4 of these, and you can see they're color coded. The larger ones, they don't open up on the bottom. They're like pretty much sealed, you know, so if I open that up, they all do have this pull tab. So if you have them stacked up, you can pull them out. And the zipper itself is actually pretty big. So I like them. They're like a nylon-y, very strong material. So in this case, you have 4 of the bigger ones, and these are around 12 inches when I measured them. And the little ones, so there's 2 in there, and they're also color-coded, so you have red and silver. These are around 10 inches long. Now the little ones, they actually open up on the bottom. If you see that, right? So not sure why they do that. Like the larger ones are kind of like more like pencil cases, and these are more whatever, but you know, the little ones are still not little. You know, I could put a screwdriver in there and it fits. And I like that they're color coded, right? So, you know, depending on how you're running your stuff, you could have red for first aid, you know, and then there's whatever your designation is. But you can also write on these, that's what I liked. And they also have the little label here, and they have the label on the back. This refers to the size. So PHS1, and then these are PHT1s. Not sure what that correlation means, but yeah, pretty nice. I like that you can write on these if you wanted to, label them, and they just feel really sturdy, and I'm very happy with them.